What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied, home of product reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this respirator mask. This mask will get you through the nuclear apocalypse. I'm just kidding. You can use this mask for welding. You can use this mask for woodworking. You can use this mask for chemicals. If you do drywall, you can use this mask when you sanding down, and you got all that dust flying around. You can use this mask. Or if not, if you're sanding, I did review a electrical sander which vacuums the dust. So I will probably link that in the end of the video. Usually I forget to link it in the description, but I will probably link it at the end of the video. So we're gonna take the parts out. Heads, this should be the mask. Oh, they give you earplugs. Very nice. And right here you get filter elements. Let's go ahead and check out this mask, in which comes nicely in the bag, a little carrying bag. So this is nice to have. And that's about it. So you do not get paper instructions with this. So they have instructions right here for the cartridge. And they also have instructions on the side of the box right there. I'm gonna show it to y'all. There you go. All right. Good. I do not have to edit. All right, you guys. So there is a warning on this right here. And I'm going to have y'all read the warning. A little tear right here. And here go your cartridges right here. All right. Another cartridge right here. So this comes with a plastic film on top of it. It's like a protector. You know those protectors that be on electronics. I should have took that off at the end. Basically in this review, I'm just gonna do a basic overview. You gotta take this orange part off right here. All right, you guys, put the filter on. And there you go.
It straps on pretty good. It's easy to strap. I'm gonna strap it up some more. Very breathable. So y'all can let me know what y'all guys think. Yeah, everything seems pretty good. I'm talking very fine through it. Hopefully we be prepared for you know what next time. All you gotta do is just pull the straps back and then it tightens up. Now, if you're claustrophobic, you might not want to put this on. Just to give you a heads up. You want to loosen it, all you got to do is just push this up and it loosens. Woo! I can breathe again. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. Once again, I did not get instructions. And yeah, so that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.